Hello, my name is Sang with US Express Money Order, and I'd like to go over with you some troubleshooting techniques when your machine is failing to report. First off, I would like to go ahead and show you what the screen would look like if your machine is not reporting properly. As you can see right now, it says cost stat -97. This is something that you will see when your machine doesn't report properly and it's not communicating with us. When this happens, your machine goes ahead and shuts off and won't allow you to print any more money orders further. To go ahead and correct this, we want to follow the following troubleshooting steps. First, we want to go ahead and check the phone line to make sure it's plugged in properly. As you can see, when you look on the back of your computer, you will see 3 holes for your phone lines. The first one will be the Ethernet cable hole, and then the next one would be the phone line port, and the one next to it would be the telco port. This is the port that you want to make sure your phone line is plugged into. These are some examples of other modems that you might see on the back of your computer. As you can see, it is labeled phone and line. You want to go ahead and plug it in into the line port. If you see phone or telco, you want to go ahead and plug it into the telco port. Once the machine is plugged in properly, you want to go ahead and make sure that the report is going through now. And this is what you would want to go ahead and push the letter C on your keyboard. And this will go ahead and send a report out. It will say call central computer, and you know that the report's being made. Once it's completed, then it's going to go back to the main menu page. If it doesn't go back to the main menu and you get another call stat, then you want to go ahead and take the next step by going ahead and unplugging the power cable on the back of the computer, or pushing your power button right here for 3 seconds to make sure that the computer is powered off completely. Once it's powered off properly, then you want to go ahead and plug the power cord back in, or push the power button again and make sure it powers up. If it powers up and you do another report and you get the same cost stat, then we want to go ahead and do a final test on the phone lines and pick up your phone, any phone that you have available, and listen to the dial tone. You have 2 distinctive dial tone sounds. One that goes D, 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 or you have a regular dial tone where it goes D. If you have the D, D, D sound, then you want to go ahead and call your network provider or your phone line provider and call them and ask them to remove your voicemail system. Once you have that removed, then you can go ahead and make the proper steps and do the troubleshooting again and make the report. As you can see, the report has went through and it's gone back to the main menu page. That completes our tutorial.